Okay, so welcome back to part 2 of the fire alarm system updates. So I have put all the covers back on and the ATS is gone. The ATS just wasn't working out for me, so I got rid of it. So all the covers are back on, and I have different plans. So in here is, obviously in here you know it's relays. In here is the relays for an emergency light system, which I will show you in a second. So yes, I've added an emergency lighting system, so if the power goes out, that will activate, and I'm also going to make it if the alarm goes off, that will activate. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a system like an annunciator. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically like a second control panel. So yeah, I made one on my old system, but it wasn't very good because it didn't, like, anyone could test the system and stuff. So I'm going to make it so it has a key switch to activate it all. So everything's the same other than these two relays in here. So under here you can see there's a light, and over here there's a solar panel. Now if you follow this cable down here, it goes to a 12-volt adapter. So basically, when this thing has power, it will switch a relay, which is acting as another switch for the light under here. So what I'll do is I'll plug this in, and then if switch that on, see the light is not on, but if I switch this off, the light will turn on, off. So the power's on now, power's off now. And then I can, if like the power's off for a long time, I can flick this switch here and it will turn off the light. So that's how that works. Here's a ton of stuff for my fire alarm system. So, yeah, I closed everything up, and the annunciator is going to be in this sort of box, and it's going to have trouble light, power light, and alarm light, and it's going to have a key switch. So I'm actually going to take the silence one out and put it in, and it's going to have 2 more switches for silence the alarm and the trouble silence, and it's going to have another button for the test, and then I might actually get another one for the system reset. So yeah, the ATS is gone, so now I'm just going to be using this, and yeah. So over here you can see I added my pull stations back on. It's not currently hooked up though. On the other side is our pull station, and this is where the annunciator is going to be. So it's going to be there. So I've actually been quite busy with this. So here is a time lapse of me connecting the negatives and stuff. Okay, so here you can see that I have connected some of the negatives, and I'm actually took out the common positive bar because it was just being annoying, and now I have a negative bar, which is completely full of negatives. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.